Well, hello there, folks. Welcome back to this channel, which is all about helping you become the very best trainer, presenter, workshop facilitator you truly can be. And today I want to talk to you about a bit of an odd topic. How can you make your training as boring as possible? As boring as possible. That's a bit of a strange title to lead with, but the thing is, folks, if I call this, how do you make your training as engaging as possible? Yeah, that'll get some views, but how do I make it as boring as possible? Hopefully that's caught your curiosity there, right? Now, here's the thing. I've done another video and I've called it the biggest mistake that trainers ever make. The biggest mistake that trainers ever make, right? And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the same vein, but I'm going to talk about ultimately how do you make your training as boring as possible. And it's a very, 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 very simple thing. It's like the simplest thing that you can think of. It's simply doing the following: call your content boring. Yes, that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Say, what I'm about to teach you is going to be dull and boring. What I'm about to teach you is going to be dull and boring. Instantly, you've made it boring. Whoa, what a crazy idea, right? See, we need to appreciate that your audiences are going to feel whatever you tell them to feel. They are going to experience your content however you label it and call it to be. But still, so many times here in the world of training in Australia and the world in the international world of training, we have trainers that still walk in, still do the show of the throw up, still do the death by PowerPoint, and still use the wording of the following. Hello, today we're going to talk about safety in WHS, and I know it's dull and boring, but just bear with me as we go through it. I know it's dull and boring, but just bear with me as we go through it. All right. Now, hopefully, if you're watching this channel, you've never been one of those people who've accidentally said that, right? I know it's dull and boring, but just bear with us. Now, we need to ask ourselves, is that an effective strategy or not? I would postulate, fuck no. I would postulate far out, definitely not, right? Now, I understand the intention behind it. Please come along with me. Please side with me. I'm the poor trainer that has to deliver this boring content to you. I'm sorry about that. And I'm warning you ahead of time. I'm a bad trainer and the content's boring. We need to appreciate that's probably not the tone that you want to set in your room, right? It's probably not a good idea. Instead, you want to maybe change boring to a new word. And the new word that I suggest that you use is, ready for it, drum roll, empowering. Empowering, folks. I really want to encourage you anytime that you have an inclination to use the word boring, use the word empowering instead. So let's relook at it. Let's reword it. Hi, my name's Mark. Today we're going to talk about something that's going to be super empowering for you, so informative and really helpful if you are ever in a situation in the workplace where you get injured, somebody else get injured, or there's an accident and you just don't know what to do. Today we're going to talk about some really empowering content that's really going to help you stand out above the rest and from the rest and really make you a powerful leader in the space of safety. Let's get into it. All right. So what did I do? I just completely reframed everything, made sure that I had a view that the content and my delivery was going to be engaging, was going to be empowering, was going to be potentially even fun and useful. But I made the choice. And if you don't make the choice, then your audience are going to make the choice for you, right? But whenever you're inclined to use the word boring, instead, jump into the place of empowering, uplifting, inspiring, and guess what? Your audience will feel that. Your audience will feel the energy that you are projecting is going to be helpful, is going to be useful, and it's going to be worth their time, right? So let's wrap it up here, folks. Avoid using the word boring or any word that's going to put people into a heavy state. Keep it light, keep it happy, keep it useful, keep it empowering, and your audience will love you and want to come back and hear more from you. On that note, folks, that's a little bit about how you can make your sessions as boring as you want, if you choose to, or as empowering, as engaging as you want. My name is Mark Miles. I love helping trainers, presenters, workshop facilitators take their results to the next level. And if you haven't already, check out my book, Create Transformation, and how you can really have advanced facilitation workshops and be the trainer that really stands out above all the rest. On that note, folks, thanks for watching the video. And as always, like, comment, share, and let's make it as boring as possible. Just kidding, folks. Let's take it to the empowering level. Well, thanks for watching, team. Bye for now.